Still spending hours on research, writing, and data analysis? What if AI could do the heavy lifting for you? Discover the top AI tools that can save you time and elevate your consulting game. We've curated a list of powerful AI tools tailored for independent consultants and small teams. From writing proposals to analyzing data, these tools are used by top corporations, and now you can use them too. Let's start with ChatGPT or Copilot. They are perfect for brainstorming, drafting emails, and even creating full reports. Just prompt them with your client's needs and watch them deliver structured, professional content in seconds. Microsoft Copilot integrates directly into Word, Excel, and Teams. It can summarize documents, generate insights from spreadsheets, and even prep you for meetings. It's like having a corporate analyst on call. Need reliable research fast? Perplexity AI gives you sourced answers with citations, making it ideal for market analysis and competitive intelligence. No more sifting through endless Google results. Jasper is your go-to for marketing content. Whether it's blog posts, social media, or landing pages, Jasper writes in your brand voice and helps you attract clients with compelling copy. Combine Microsoft Power BI or Tableau's visual analytics with GPT's narrative power. You get stunning dashboards and instant summaries that make your data client-ready. No need to be a data scientist. Notion AI helps you manage projects, take smart notes, and even summarize meetings. It's perfect for solo consultants who need structure without the overhead of big tools. For deeper dives into AI tools, follow Laura at Superhuman's Life. Her videos break down the latest tech in simple, actionable ways, especially useful for consultants and creators. AI isn't just for big corporations, it's essential for an independent consultant. Try these tools, save time, and deliver better results. Download our free AI skill set checklist in the description below. Hope to see you tune in tomorrow for another of our videos.